Vanakkam friends, welcome back to Trinity Cultural Academy. The unit that I am going to present is Natural Resource Management. Very important topic as far as examination point of view. A critical analysis of previous year questions revealed that about 25 to 30 questions may appear from the soil science. This unit contains the subjects like soil science, dryland agriculture, watershed and wasteland development and management, and water resource management. In soil science, topics to be covered are soil classification, properties, microorganisms, decomposition of organic matter, nutrients, its deficiency and management, organic manures and fertilizers, problem soils, and soil survey and fertility evaluation. Dryland agriculture deals with dry farming and rainfed agriculture, erosion and its conservation, conventional farming and alternate land use system. Topics namely watershed and wasteland management, land use classification, land holding and farming system will also be delivered. Water resource management include water resources, command area development, groundwater and conjunctive use, water use efficiency, moisture stress and quality of irrigation water. Good friends, we begin with soil science. First chapter is soils, components and its classification. What is soil? The term soil was derived from Latin word solum, means floor. It is a thin layer of earth crust made up of disintegrated and decomposed rocks, mineral compounds, organic matter, water, air, living organisms like bacteria, fungi, and finally it acts as a natural medium and provides nutrients, moisture, air, and support for the plants. What do you mean by soil science? Science which deals with soil is called soil science, includes pedology, deals with soil genesis, classification and mapping, then its physical, chemical, biological and fertility properties, and also the relationship to crop management. In this, we may expect questions like study of soil genesis is pedology. Next is soil components. There are about 4 components of soil as air, which is about 25%, water also about 25%, remaining 50% consists of 45% of mineral matter and 5% of organic matter. The mineral particle includes sand, silt and clay, while organic matter comprises of organisms, roots and higher amount of humus. From this, questions may also appear the proportion of particular component in percentage. This can be expected from the examination point of view. Next is soil taxonomy. Taxonomy means an agreement in a systematic manner where the soil taxonomy has 6 levels of classification as order, suborder, grade group, subgroup, family and finally series. In this order is the highest level and the lowest category is series. This USDA soil taxonomy was developed by United States Department of Agriculture and National Cooperative Soil Survey. We may also expect questions from this portion, and the questions like which is the highest or lowest category, who developed soil taxonomy. In soil taxonomy, soil order is important one and has 12 soil orders as per USDA soil order classification. First one is alphisol, has aluminum and iron containing soil. Andisol is formed from volcanic ash and the young and highly fertile. Ardisol deals with dry soil, that is desert soil. Entisol, which are recently formed soils found on unconsolidated river and beach sediments of sand or volcanic ash. Next one is jelly-sol, also known as permafrost soils. Histosol, a organic soil also called as bog soil. Next one is insectisol or young soils. Mollisol, which are soft, deep, dark soil found in grasslands. Oxysol are heavily weathered, rich in iron and aluminum oxides or kaolin but low in silica. Spodosoil are acid soil in which aluminum and iron are leached out. Next one is altisol. It is also a acid soil found in humid areas but deficient in calcium, magnesium and potassium. Final one is vertisol, which are inverted soil rich in clay content and has shrink and swell characteristics. In the above two slides, question may also arise from special characters of soil orders. The best example of one question is which soil order contains organic soil. Next we see soil orders in India and its distribution percentage. NT soil consists of young alluvial soil and some parts of red and laterite soils and distributed about 6%. Next one is inseptisol, which is highly distributed in India about 50% and consists of deep red, laterite and black soil. Alfisol distributed about 30%, the second highest distributing order. Mollisol is in negligible percentage. Altisol is about 1% and finally vertisol, which is about 7% and are mostly deep black cotton soil and old alluvial soil. Friends, let us now discuss the soils of India. First scientific classification was done by Vasily Dakachow. The Indian Council of Agriculture Research classified soils of India into 8 categories as alluvial soil, black cotton soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountainous and forest soil, arid and desert soil, problem soils like saline and alkaline soils, peaty soils, and last one is marshy soil. We will see one by one in detail. First one is alluvial soil, which is the most available soil in India, highly fertile soil found in Indus Brahmaputra plain and Narmada Tapi plains. It is formed as depositional soil by transportation and deposition of river and streams. Newer alluvium is called as Kadar and the older alluvium is called as Bunker. This is more important for the examination point of view. Alluvial soils are rich in potash and deficient in phosphorus. The suitable crops are wheat, rice, maize, sugarcane, pulses, oil seeds, etc. Next one is black soil and also known as Regur soil or black cotton soil, distributed about 16.6% in states of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, South Odisha, South and coastal Andhra, North Karnataka and parts of Tamil Nadu. Name of soil indicates that soil is in black color, rich in iron, lime, calcium, potassium, aluminum, magnesium and deficient in nitrogen and phosphorus. The soil contains high proportion of clay of about 30 to 40% and water holding capacity is high. It has specific characters like the swelling and shrinkage property. Crops suitable for black soil are cotton, Bengal gram, mustard, millets, pulses and oil seeds. Red soil, otherwise named as yellow soil, red color is due to presence of ferric oxide which is formed from granites and other metamorphic rocks found in semi-arid and low rainfall areas. Red soil is acidic, well drained and moderately permeable with low cation capacity and water holding capacity. Red soil is found in Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, North and East, Arunachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, parts of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Suitable crops are millets, pulses, oil seeds like groundnut, gingerly and castor and tuber crops especially cassava. Next soil is laterite and lateritic soil and this is also acidic in nature, rich in iron and aluminum while deficient in N, and K and as well as lime. Laterite soils are formed by laterization. Question may also appear to you, what is laterization? Laterization is leaching of all cations except iron and aluminum oxides due to heavy rainfall, found mostly in hills and foothills. Acid-loving crops like plantation crops, namely tea, rubber, coconut, areca nut, cinchona, pepper and spices, including pineapple and avocado, are commonly grown. At lower elevation, rice is a common cultivated crop. Let us now see about desert soil, which is about 4.32% of total area. It is found in Thar desert of Rajasthan and parts of Haryana and Punjab. Sand and sand dunes are very common with less than 8% clay. Contains high sodium salt that leads to alkalinity. Date palm, cucumber and millets are mostly grown in these areas. Peaty and organic soils are heavy soils and black in color, rich in organic matter and mostly found in Kerala, coastal regions of West Bengal, Odisha, south and east coast of Tamil Nadu. Not suitable for all crops, but rice can be cultivated in coastal areas. Friends, regarding problem soil, I have already talked this topic in stress mitigating technologies, including microorganism presentation. That is chapter 10 of unit 2. However, you can go through this slide. This is about acid soils in which acidophytes are recommended. Acidophytes are plants that can grow in acid soil, and best example is potato. Last type of Indian soil or forest soil, which is acidic and occurs in high rainfall area, while mountainous soil is immature soil with low humus and acidic. Well friends, so far we have discussed soil, its components and soil types of India. Now we talk about soils of Tamil Nadu. The first type of soil is red loam. The area under red loam is 79.8 lakh hectares and it contributes about 61.7%. The red loam soil is further classified into red loamy 30%, red sterile 6%, red sandy 6%, thin red 2% and deep red loamy soil 8%. This type of soil is available in parts of Kanjipuram, Kadalur, Salem, Dharmaburi, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Ramanathapuram, Madurai, Tirunelveli, Sivagangai, Thoothukudi, Virudhunagar, Dindigul and Nilgiris. The second one is laterite soil, 3.8 lakh hectares is available and it contributes about 2.9%. It is available in parts of Nilgiris. Well friends, the next soil is black soil. The area under black soil is 15 lakh hectares and it contributes about 11.6%. For the parts of Kanjipuram, Kadalur, Vellore, Tiruvannamalai, Salem, Dharmaburi, Madurai, Ramanathapuram, Tirunelveli, Sivagangai, Thoothukudi, the Nilgiris, Virudhunagar and Dindigul districts contains this type of black soil. The next one is sandy coastal alluvium. About 9.8 lakh hectare is present and it contributes about 7.6%. This type of soil is present in the coastal areas of Ramanathapuram, Tanjavur, Nagapattinam, Kadalur, Kanjipuram and Kanyakumari districts. The next one is river alluvium. 21 lakh hectare is present in this type of soil and it contributes about 16.2%. All river deltaic areas like Kaveri, Vaigai, Tambrabarani, delta areas are occupied with river alluvium soil. Friends, we are at the end of this presentation. The question and answers now we will see. The proportion of clay in black soil is about, the option B is the correct answer, 30 to 40%. Major soil type found in Tamil Nadu is, the option C is the correct answer, red soil. Which of the following is very rich in organic matter? Option B, peaty and organic soil is the correct answer. Swelling and shrinkage is a specific character of the option C, vertisol, that is the black cotton soil is the correct answer. Well friends, if you want PDF material, text at 9894904745 and if you want to take online test, you can also call me at this WhatsApp number as well as my mail. Kindly subscribe my channel to get upcoming videos. Thank you very much.